Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video we have the update of the Laura Los Angeles little set because I didn't get the party animal one. So we're going to see what we have in this box. I'm going to open it right now with my trusty knife, a pocket knife. Put him back here. And here it is. So it, let me open this before I start talking. So, it took them a little while because apparently, Party Animal is going to be, or one of them is going to be in boxycharm. So, I will end up probably getting two. So, I got the Party Animal right here. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. There's like a liney kind of yellowy kind of color. Let's flip it this way. We have like a yellowy kind of green, orange, a pink with sparkle, super pretty. We also have a lighter blue, a dark blue, and a purple. So the first color I'm going to swatch is the purple. Here's the packaging. We do not need to keep that. We'll put it in our garbage pile. And I'm going to swatch this purple. I swirled around it twice because purple always kind of needs a little bit of something. This is a good purple. So we are going to just jump right in, like be real quick with it. I actually kind of want to see if it does fit. Well, that's great. I want to keep this like packaging that they came in, so I actually have the other one still in here, Boss Babe. I haven't used it since, but I will definitely get to using it. Okay, so I've primed with Milani eyeshadow primer. I already have my Cosmetic CC Illumination Cream on, and we're just going to jump right in. I got this new mirror, so I'm going to turn that on. It adds like so much illumination. I'm not sure how it's going to look in the camera. Might look awesome, but I will definitely zoom in more. So let's zoom in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I always pair Urban Decay Basics palette with that's a bit better. Okay, so I always pair any like majorly colorful shadows with Urban Decay Basics palette because it pretty much has all the other neutrals to go with something that you would need for such a colorful palette. So I'm first just going to take Nude and just place that into the crease and like a lot on the lid. I have Nude from the Basics palette all blended through my crease. Now I'm going to take this color, it's called Pregame, and I'm going to do my brow baking like I do. I just invented that. I didn't invent that, but I'm just been calling it that, so pretty much I'm just going to take this color. Pretty much if you're new to this, I just take like this is like a cream shade, very kind of yellowy toned color, and I just like pack it here on my brow bone so that nothing ever blends too high. Just kind of pack it here on my brow. Everybody else. So I'm going to go in with the Party Animal palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take Damage Control and just kind of lightly tap my brush in because I'm not really sure what kind of we're working with here. So let's just see what we get. With colors like this, overblending is absolutely very, 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 very possible. So be careful. I'm just really working this on the outer corner. So I switched my brush to like a domed kind of creased brush, but it's more of a smaller size blend. This is my thumb, so I'm just kind of really controlling that damage control color into the crease because I already kind of placed some down for blending purposes. And I'm just really making like the color more prominent. I'm keeping it like really in the crease, and then I will blend it out more. Okay, so I'm starting to really like how this is like turning out with the damage control color. And I am just going to continue to blend that because with colored shadows, you actually have to have time to work with them. It's not just a quick done, like one and done. You have to actually give them time. So we're just kind of giving it, being very gentle, patient with these colors. Okay, now I'm going to take, this is the same brush that I started with, dusting off any excess color, and then just lightly kind of blending this edge. Remember, we put that baked color on our brow, kind of, and so that will kind of help to blend it more. Alright, I'm going to go in with that same domed crease brush we got, and I'm going to take Karaoke. It's like a perfect cobalt blue, and it has some shimmer to it, so keep that in mind. I'm going to add this just on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. Not blending it all the way through the lid, but just mostly on the outer corner. That's why I'm taking this brush, because it's good for packing and it has blending purposes on it as well. And fuzz. So I'm going to go back in with Damage Control, put that over top, and I think that we will be done working with blue. Damage Control. Damage Control. Alright. Blend. More blending. Alright. So I also pulled the Anastasia Aurora palette, the glow kit, and only because I really want to take this shade. So I'm going to take that color, and we are going to place this like in the center. I'm not going to bring this all the way through because I still want to have some like lighter bits on the inner corner, so just going to place this here. Oh mama. And because this is a highlighter, it's like not supposed to be like incredibly pigmented, so you have to layer it. But that's not bad for me because I think it looks really awesome. Okay, so in this Essence palette, this is the Essence Vintage palette, and I'm going to take this color here so that we have something really nice on the inner corner. Okay, so to finish up the eye look, I'm going to go ahead and take the color Karaoke and line my whole bottom lash line, and this could be bad and could be good. So let's see what happens. So that is the starting. I'm going to go over it one more time, but I think it looks pretty good so far. My dog's walking around over there. So there is Karaoke on the lower lash line. Now I'm going ahead and line my upper lid, and I'm just going to take the Pretty Vulgar inky liner, and I will go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Oh, I'm starting to conceal. I've applied my lashes and my liner. I use the Kiss Shy lashes. They're just right here. And I'm using the NYX HD concealer. Trying to blend this without getting too close to my blue liner on my lower lash line is quite the challenge. Okay, I'm going to take some of this concealer and put it all on my face. It's not exactly a brightening concealer, but more of a good coverage one. And I'm not exactly looking for brightening right now, because we can do that in a second. I always conceal down here on my chin, but I never have a really good reason for it. It's not like I have problems with like stuff fading down there. I just always do. Like form habit, I guess. But I do have problems with things fading around my nose and like the T-zone area. I'm not exactly particularly oily. I would consider myself more of a normal skin, And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, my e.l.f. finishing powder, and literally finish this up. I'm just going to apply some blush and a little bit of highlighter. I'm not going to contour or bronze because I think we already got a lot going on our eyes, everything. I'm just like so in love with how this turned out. My Tarte Party blush because it's a really good neutral tone blush. So that would be really nice for our cheeks, but we really do have to add some more color back into our little face. So I'm going to go a little bit more adventurous with our highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. Blue Lagoon, and this is like a purpley and a blue. I'm going to go ahead and mix them both and apply that. It's really cool because these are subtle, and you can just kind of get away with wearing a little bit of color. My lips, I'm going to take this Manna lip pencil, and it's like a soft, naturally pink color, and in this, my little boy, this is Girls Night Out. It's like a chubby crayon. I do not know if this is cruelty free, so I don't think it is, but I haven't used it in a while, so I will put it down below whether it is or not, and then we can just do what we want to do with it later. And it is matte, so I don't know if I'm going to love it. It's like lip lock lippy, so it's not uncomfortable by any means, so that's not too shabby for me. So this is the update on the Party Animal palette from Lorelei Los Angeles. I am so pleased with the shadows. Once again, with the first palette, these are really great. I can't wait to play with this color right here because I really like hot pinks. I like color. I'm not gonna lie about that. I just really do like color. And the next couple videos, I bought some things off of Hush. And I got this palette. I'm really excited about it. I'm not sure if it's going to upload it. Like, it could be like a week of blues. So maybe we'll just do something like that. I'm not sure. So if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. We all know about that game. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.